Virgin hair lightening and color retouch. 20 minutes. You have 2 minutes to remove the supplies from your kit for the virgin hair lightening application and hair coloring retouch section of this examination. Please do not begin any procedures until the verbal instructions have been read and you are instructed to begin. You may begin setup. Begin by sanitizing your hands. Continue to grab the virgin hair lining and color retouch bag with all the materials necessary for this procedure. Set your disposable SMA. Place the simulated color bottle on the linen SMA. All disinfectable tools should be placed on the disposable SMA. All bagged disposable items should be placed on the linen SMA. The protective cream should be placed on the linen SMA. The tint bowl should remain on the linen SMA throughout the entire service. Once you are finished, seal the hair lightening and color retouch bag and place it on the shelf. You will now perform the virgin hair lightening application section of this examination. You will be observed for client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will have 10 minutes to complete the virgin hair lightening section. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. Upon completion, you will step back until instructed to apply the hair coloring retouch section. Upon completion, you will step back until instructed to apply the hair coloring retouch section. You will have 10 minutes to complete the hair coloring retouch section. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. You may begin. Using the nose to guide you, create a vertical line on the crown. Using that as a point, begin to create a vertical line ending behind the ear. Wrap and clip the hair with a butterfly clip. Once you are done, go ahead and go to the other side and repeat the same steps. Take that same horizontal line and finish at the nape, creating 4 equal parts. These 4 equal parts will be named as quadrants. Predisposition test, also known as PD test. Grab the PD test bag. Remove the gloves and the cotton and place them on your disposable SMA. Begin to cleanse a quarter-size area behind the ear. Once you are done with the cotton, trash. Allow it to air dry. Apply the gloves. Over the trash bag, saturate cotton with simulated color. Cleanse the simulated color with blue paper towel and seal it with its top. If needed, remove excess simulated color on top of the wrist and saturate a quarter size behind the ear of simulated color. Once you are finished, trash the gloves and the cotton. Protective cream application. Grab your disposable spatula. Grab your protective cream container. Open the container and apply sufficient amount of protective cream on top of the wrist. Dispose of the spatula, close your container, and place back on the linen SMA. Begin to apply protective cream around the entire hairline, avoiding to apply any protective cream onto the hair. Remove any extra protective cream on top of the wrist with the blue paper towel and dispose of the blue paper towel in the trash bag. Apply your gloves. Grab the simulated color bottle. Pour in a sufficient amount into the tint bowl, making sure to pour over the trash bag to avoid any spills. Clean the simulated bottle with blue paper towels. Close the lid and place on the linen SMA. Remove the butterfly clip and place in the instruments to be disinfected box. Protect the other 3 quadrants by folding a blue paper towel in half and creating a triangle. Grab a sufficient amount of simulated color on the tint brush and begin to apply. Grabbing 1/4 of an inch of subsections wide, start by applying 1 inch away from the scalp and 1 inch away from the ends. Make sure to supersaturate each subsection and repeat these steps until the entire quadrant has been saturated with simulated hair lightening color. Once you are done, remove the excess simulated product on the tint brush and place it over the tint bowl for the next procedure. Carefully bring down every subsection, avoiding to get any product on the face. Trash the blue paper towel. Finishing the virgin hair lightening section. Remove your gloves. Sanitize your hands. You have 10 minutes to complete the hair coloring retouch section. You will be informed when you have 5 minutes remaining. You may begin. Protective cream application. Start by sanitizing your hands. Grab your protective cream and your disposable spatula. What happens if you don't have a disposable spatula? You can go into your extras basket and grab one. Grab a sufficient amount of protective cream and place it on top of your wrist. Dispose of the spatula and begin to apply protective cream around the hairline. Remove the extra protective cream on top of your wrist with a blue paper towel and dispose of the blue paper towel in the trash bag. Grab your gloves bag and apply your gloves. Dispose of the plastic bag in the trash. Hair color retouch application. Start by removing the butterfly clip and disposing of the butterfly clip in the instruments to be disinfected box. Grab the tint brush and a blue paper towel and place it on top of your linen SMA. Continue to grab the simulated color and apply a sufficient amount of color onto the tint bowl over the trash bag to demonstrate infection control. Clean the simulated bottle and seal with the lid. Grab the tint brush and trash that paper towel. Color retouch application. Start by outlining the entire quadrant 2 inches wide with simulated color. Protect the entire quadrant with a blue paper towel, creating a triangle. Taking 1 inch subsections wide, apply 2 inches out. Do not exceed 2 inches. Once the entire section has been saturated with simulated color, remove the gloves. Sanitize your hands and wait for further instructions. you may clean up. All disposable materials should be trashed. Place all disinfectable materials in the instruments to be disinfected box. If you have no space, continue to use the empty one. The simulated color bottle should go back into the Virgin Hair Lightening and Hair Color Retouch bag. Seal and place back on the shelf. Sanitize your hands and wait for further instructions. This concludes the Virgin Hair Lightening and Hair Color Retouch section of this practical examination.